Welcome back student. Today we will talk over the information resources which is available in the proteomics and the genomics. So continuation to that, these information sources are based on bioinformatic tools, and you know that bioinformatic tools are the very important technique or the very important technology to assign in the human genome project, where the genomes, that is particular genes or the nucleotide sequences, are arranged in database analysis. So there is a computerized functioning or the role of the computer to convert the genetic information in the database, and it is converted to the microchips or biological chips. So if you are talking about the information sources, so the one of the India's renowned center that we call the NCBI. It is stands for National Center for Biotechnology Institute. So this was established in 1998, and the main motive of NCBI was to gather all the information, or you can say that all the genetic resources are can be computerized or can be converted into the database analysis, and it was the main or the prime part of gene bank analysis, and where this system, that is the NCBI, put focus on retrieval of system. That retrieval system means if you want to regain the genetic information or the chromosomal information or genomic information, so you can check or you can search from the source of the bioinformatic tools or the biological computers. And second one objective or second prime function of NCBI was computational resources for analysis of gene bank data or services. So first retrieval system, and second is computational resources, and these computational resources was made for analysis of gene bank, that is the gene bank, and the services. So on the arrival of this NCBI in India had opened the new hope and the new door, and also it is responsible to manage, or it is responsible to categorize into the wave based tool. It is the wave based tool, and it is given in the this 7 heads, and that 7 heads are: the first is the database retrieval tools, second one is the BLAST family, it's very important one, this 2 is very important, BLAST family of search tools. That BLAST family is basically done for sequencing the gene or the DNA, whether it is similar or dissimilar. So this is the BLAST family. Now third is the gene level sequencing. Here we are sequencing the gene, and thereafter, after the sequencing the gene, that information is converted to database and fed into the computer. Now chromosomal sequencing, chromosomes, whatever the karyotype, that karyotype is designed and it is based or it is placed in the computer. Thereafter genome analysis, and then analysis of gene expression pattern. Gene expression pattern, again I am telling that together effort of transcription and translation is known as gene expression. How the gene is expressed for the particular functional protein formation. Then molecular structure. That molecular structure consists of the molecular value, that is the structure of DNA, RNA of the protein. And out of that first of all we will talk over the database retrieval system. So this database retrieval system is based on the bioinformatics tools. It is totally effort of the molecular biology as well as the bioinformatics. So this bioinformatics is what? It means all the biological information which is either of the living species or the human being or the genome or DNA or the chromosome, whatever that, all are stored or placed in the configuration of the databases. So bioinformatical tools, and it is useful for the advanced studies. If you are talking about the advanced studies, that it is used for the taxonomical approaches, it is used for the study of study of different diseases, it is used for the pathogen, antigen, species or specific interaction, etc. Now, what are the various approaches or what are the various tools that is used in the database retrieval are: number one is Entrench, then taxonomy browser and locus link. So first of all, come to the Entrench. This Entrench is localized, or it is locating the particular gene ID. For example, if you want to open the Google, or if you want to email, so there is a Gmail ID. Similarly, this Entrench prescribe about the particular gene ID. What is gene ID? So when we are opening this gene ID, what will you get? You will get the integrated database retrieval of that particular gene, and it is used to access literature. It means information in writing, literature, then abstract, then sequence and structure. Thereafter, it provides entire comprehensive information about the particular gene. And if you are talking about the taxonomy browser, so this taxonomy browser is related with giving the information, aspects or genetical information or their morphological information of all those plants, and the total number of the plant or the organism is considered as 79,000. So these 79,000 organisms have developed their own taxonomy database. Taxonomy database. And that taxonomy is what? Taxonomy is the branch of botany where we study the structure of the plant and their ancestor relationship. That is it tells about the evolutionary relationship also among the organisms. So total number 79,000 organisms database, taxonomical database have been prepared yet. Now come to the locus link. So if you are talking on the locus link, the main function of this locus link is that it dictates about the official gene. Whatever the gene that we have nominated is known as official gene, and apart from that, it also tells about the homologous gene. Now come to what the meaning of homologous gene. Homologous genes are that genes which are similar in structure and they have ancestral relationship. If I am asking that human being and chimpanzee, the genome of human being and chimpanzee is very similar. It looks like that our ancestors are same. Now, if I come to the BLAST family, this BLAST stands for basic local alignment search tool. So this BLAST family is so important. Why? Because it took part in the sequencing of the particular molecular structure, and that molecular structure is used to design or to answer the questions related with this molecular biology or bioinformatics. Next, analyze sequence information whether there is similarity or dissimilarity. I told you that basic role of BLAST family is it is made for sequencing similarity and dissimilarity. If sequencing, suppose genetic map is there, suppose this is any one and two. Now this is matched. So is that matching is okay or mismatch? So if mismatch is there, it means there is no ancestral relationship between the gene or the DNA sequences. Apart from that, while this studying the genome of organism of any Then there we find some duplicate copy of genes. The duplicate copy of genes are known as paralog. What do we call it? Paralog. And the phenomenon is known as paralogy. So this paralog is the duplicate copy of the gene. It is also the same gene, but it cannot say that paralog is homology, because homology defines the similarity due to common ancestry. Here it is not so. So this basic local alignment search tool is based on some of the principle. The principle is that sequencing of the genome, sequencing of the DNA, that tells us about this similarity or dissimilarity. Apart from that, it is also used to verify, and the verification is done by the role of the interaction. So this is the information sources, which is the type of the collaboration of the bioinformatics, and the major role that played by is NCBI. Thanks for watching.